How to make loading exclamation mark animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Click anywhere empty and press Shift plus space. Search for S-ellipse, S-outline, and S-render and add them and connect them to Media Out. Select Outline node and set thickness to 0.03. Select the ellipse and adjust the size and position of it in the viewer. Once again, click anywhere empty and press Shift plus space. Search for S-rectangle and add it. Connect its output to output of the ellipse to make a merge node. Select the rectangle, adjust the size and position of it, and increase corner radius to 1. Select Render node, press Shift plus space, and add color corrector after it. Move the playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to gain to add a keyframe. Move the playhead 30 frames forward and set gain to 0 to make the second keyframe. Open up Spline panel and check the color corrector checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to make the animation ping-pong, so the gain value goes from 1 to 0 then from 0 to 1, and do that for the entire length of the composition. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline. Select the composition and adjust the size and position of it in the inspector.